Alright, just finished cleaning up these kittens. They've all got eye infection, so we cleaned up their eyes, and hopefully they're gonna be okay. Yesterday they were stuck in the rain. So my daughter helped me to rescue them out of the rain. They were sitting like underneath this peach tree, like let's say like right there. It's actually on the other side of the peach tree. Just, you know, exposed, no cover. Their mother is a young cat. She might be back there somewhere. She's not, but she'll probably be coming around. The kittens were crying a minute ago. And so we pulled them out of the exposure, and we stuck them in this vat here, this can. I used to have some wood chips in there. Wood chips are still there, and so I put them in there so they'd be nice and warm and dry. And they look very happy right now.
Yeah, they're pretty entertained, I guess. Looking at the world with new eyes.
Yeah. That one there, he seems like the most friendly. Aww. Yesterday I came out to check on them, and this one kept coming after me. Like he didn't want me to go. Oh, look at him. He's liking that. That feels good, huh?
You got the other one right here, too.
You see that little puss coming back, I think.
Ew. Can we get it?
We'll have to get it later because I don't have any more stuff.
Oh, okay.
But it's gonna keep coming back. You know, it's not gonna go away right away, but they're so cute. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do with all these babies? Alright. There.
Okay.
Can you see them? Their little kitty cat butts. So, we cleaned them up again today a little bit. And can you see? You can't really see. And so they're all happy. They're playing. They're getting some sun. The mama's over there.
You got mama?
Where is she? She's right there.
Zach, can you see mommy?
Let me see. Can you see her moving?
Yeah, where is she?
She's
in the same spot.
She's in the same spot.
Oh, you got her?
I did.
Okay.
So the garden's a mess.
Bye, baby.
But I think it's good for them that it's a little overgrown because they need a little bit of protection from the coverage. So meanwhile, I wanted to show you my zinnias. These are zinnias.
Taking this upstairs, mommy.
Thank you. Wait, my key's in there.
Oh.
My out front zinnias. These came from my husband from the job. These are rejects, of course. But look at these rejected plants. So cute. Those colors are amazing. Well, not so much this, but this one, yeah. And of course, this coleus is outstanding in color. I planted this from seed, so It's a good contrast, I think. Anyway, let's see what else we can find.